Hey all, I'm Darius. I'm the one who built these birdhouses for you all. Um, I'm going to tell you how I built them, and then I'm going to read you a story. The first step in building these birdhouses is I had to choose the material that I wanted to make them out of. And the material I built them out of is wood. The second step in building them is I had to take the material and run it through a planer, which took the thickness down. After I did that, I took all the pieces and cut them on a table saw the size and shape I needed. Once I had all my pieces cut and perfectly the size the way I needed them, I took a nail gun and I nailed them all together. So I hope you really enjoy your little craft with all these as much as I enjoyed building them for you. So I guess now I'm going to read you a book. The book I'm going to read is The Little Blue Truck Leads the Way, and it was written by Alice Shirtle, and it's illustrated by Jill McElmry. So, Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard.
Look, there's the skunks.
Yeah, the skunks. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty?
There's a motorcycle.
Yeah. Towering buildings scrape the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus. With big red letters, rides are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first, you're last. Woo! Went a siren coming through. Busy police car, things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh, went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor, inside. I'm important, move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi, screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue, for goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said Limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue, would you like a ride? Everybody watched, gave a shout, when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line, with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way. The end.